Ever felt like crypto wallets are just too complicated? You're not alone. People are asking, how do I transfer USDT using my seed phrase only? I've got TRC20 USDT sent to me. I have my recovery phrase. Now what? These are real comments from viewers just like you. So in this video, I'll break down crypto wallets, seed phrases, how to move your crypto from one exchange to another, and how to use your recovery phrase to access your funds. It's not just for those commenters. This is for you, if you've ever felt stuck or scared to make a move in crypto. Let's clear the confusion. Let's go. A crypto wallet doesn't store your coins, it stores your keys. These keys give you access to your cryptocurrency. Without your wallet, you can't send, receive, or even view your crypto. So yeah, your wallet is everything. That's why knowing how to use it the right way is critical. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are online apps or browser extensions, easy to use but connected to the internet, so more exposed to hacking. Cold wallets? They're offline, hardware devices or even paper wallets. Way more secure. But if you lose the device or forget the password, it's game over. Choose wisely, depending on how much crypto you're holding. Every wallet gives you a seed phrase, a secret list of words. This is your master key. Write it down, keep it offline, never store it in screenshots or your notes app. If someone has your seed phrase, they can empty your wallet. If you lose it, your crypto is gone. Forever. Treat it like your life's password. Got USDT in OKX? Want to move it to Binance? Here's how. First, import your seed phrase into a trusted wallet like Trust Wallet or SafePal. Then open OKX, select USDT, and tap Send. Paste your Binance wallet address. Make sure you're using the right network, like TRC20. Double-check everything. Then confirm the transaction. Done. Someone sent you TRC20 USDT, and all you've got is the recovery phrase? No problem. Import the phrase into a wallet that supports TRC20, like TronLink or Trust Wallet. Once imported, you'll see your USDT in the wallet. From there, send it to an exchange, like Binance or OKX, to trade or withdraw. Always match the right address and network. Let's hit some quick safety tips. Never share your seed phrase. Only use official wallet apps. Watch out for fake clones. Always double-check addresses and networks. Not sure? Ask first, because one wrong move could cost you everything. Crypto doesn't have to be confusing. You've now got the tools to handle wallets, seed phrases, and TRC20 USDT like a pro. Still got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll answer them, maybe even in the next video. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Your crypto journey? It starts right now.